Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, big test at $53,000. That's the big test. Now, Bitcoin had this big move to the downside, actually dropped all the way down to 40,000. All right, big bounce. Now it's coming back up to retest this level that it lost. This is a bearish retest idea, right? It's real simple. All right, Bitcoin gets rejected here. You're looking for a double bottom, maybe around 46,000. Could see a move down to 40,000, 41,000. Okay, Bitcoin breaks out and retest 53,000. Here's the game plan. Then you're opening up longs, USDT paired altcoins, Bitcoin potentially. Okay, it looks like based on Bitcoin dominance, we're going to talk about this. You have a move coming. All right. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and just kind of so you can see this and understand the trend got completely rejected, right? Bitcoin broke above this, ran to all-time highs, and then lost this same level, right? And now, I mean, this is potentially a bearish retest. This is not amazing. The bulls, it's spectacular if the bulls can break above and retest this level. The game changes as soon as this gets broken, right? Otherwise, downside for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. We've got 5,900 subscribers in the group for a reason. We kill it. This person made $8,000 in 2 days using the ideas I taught to make quick gains and protect the profits. That's what this is about, quick gains and protecting the profits. Banging. I like easy money. Get the easy money. This person in MATIC started with 2,000, now has 5,000. Banging. This person put $9,000 on Kucoin. Kucoin gem picks are on fire. Put 9,000 on Kucoin. In 4 days, he got 9,000 up to $20,000. There's a Kucoin link in the description. Make a Kucoin account. The VIP link in the description. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups every single day. Right now, if you sign up, it's 60% off, 6 months or 12 months. I will help you make a ton of money in this market. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is KCS. I posted this chart previously. We're up 14x. I compared it to BNB when it was $1.82. This is BNB. We're up 19x on BNB. Dude, use multiple monitors. I'm telling you guys, get multiple monitors. The game changes. You need to be watching Bitcoin every trade you make, right? Bitcoin drives this market. Get a whiteboard. Set up a whiteboard. Write some stuff down. Make some notes. Don't FOMO. Take profits. Set alerts. Like basic stuff. Sit and look at this stuff every single day, and it happens. Like I used to work. I mean, I know what it's like to have to go and work for a boss, and maybe you're around a bunch of people you don't want to be around. Like I've been there not too long ago, right? Dude, I learned to trade, started this channel, and off to the races. Dude, these monitor setups, man, these are great. People send me these. Like, dude, this is a game changer, right? Reinvest your profits, get at least one extra monitor. You have 2 monitors, you see the market. You see more of the market, right? This is AOC. She's known for her initials, A as in Alexandria. So she served as the United States representative. So she's stating that she doesn't hold any Bitcoin because she wants to be an unbiased lawmaker. But she wants to hold, well, you know what? Dump your stocks, dump your gold, dump your silver, just dump it all. Just hold a bunch of cash that the government just continues to print endlessly. Yeah, that's a great idea. Unbiased, totally unbiased. Ethereum, BTC, this is happening. This hasn't happened since the previous, I mean, this was the end of the Bitcoin bull run, and we had an epic altcoin season right here. Bitcoin is being outperformed by Ethereum right here as we speak. We've been talking about this bullish idea. If you see this pullback and retest and continuation higher, let's go. Altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance. And so, man, if this yellow line breaks to the downside, altcoin season, right? Bitcoin dominance has been bouncing on this trend line, right? When this bounces, not necessarily good for altcoins. So why do I think a move's coming? Because you have price compression and a falling wedge. And this is really good at timing Bitcoin moves, right? Major reversals, you see moves out of Bitcoin, right? So this bounces or breaks lower, right? You get a significant move here and you're looking for a move out of Bitcoin. What you don't want to see is Bitcoin dominance bounce and Bitcoin pull back, because then essentially altcoins get wrecked. So, I mean, you want to see this break to the downside altcoin season. I mean, just understand where we're at. We're going to talk about Amazon getting into the NFT space, card collecting, potential digital cards. In just a second, I got some amazing news on what Amazon's doing with WAXP. The market's different. Like, this is not a Bitcoin market like it used to be, right? When I first got into crypto, I mean, there were not very many altcoins. And the altcoins started taking off. And now, I mean, there's the market cap of Bitcoin. 40% of the entire crypto market right now is Bitcoin, right? This could, I mean, you could see it drop lower with Metaverse, NFT, GameFi taking over. We're going to run through what's happening with Tezos and Ubisoft one more time. I got some strong coins that, I mean, if you get a Bitcoin pullback, you're wanting to, look for entry in these altcoins I'm about to cover with you. So Tezos, remember, there's this huge news. Like, this thing is just getting started. This is not buy now. I've been just waiting on Bitcoin to give a better sense of direction, right? If you get some type of pullback out of Bitcoin, you're going to get your best entries in some of these altcoins, right? How hard this bounced. Obviously, some news came out. This thing bounced from, I mean, it pulled back down here to $3.31, and then it's up to $6. I mean, it's almost up 90%. Right, in a couple days. Obviously, this news as well, but other coins like MATIC bounced crazy too. Let me just see on MATIC. So this was a setup I had given to you guys previously. We nailed this in the group. I mean, and potentially this thing is up 65-70% from that Bitcoin pullback. Like, if you buy the red candles, then you got something to sell when they're green, right? So just remember, but you got to chart these. You got to understand support, resistance, some basic ideas. Like, it's really not hard. I mean, so many of you guys are super successful in what you do, but you're not amazing traders. And of course you're not, because you don't know how to do it. I mean, take a 1-year-old and show them how to walk. They're not good at it because they haven't been doing it. It's a new skill set, right? Give them a little bit of time. Give them 6 months. Bang, and they run around the house like crazy. SPX, this thing has been on a mission. This is the S&P 500 index. Like, if this breaks, if this gets rejected, I'm thinking, hey, downside for Bitcoin. If this breaks higher, and Bitcoin could do something crazy, because this would be a V-shaped recovery. I mean, this would be super bullish to see a breakout here. So I'm watching the S&P 500 because Bitcoin's been following it pretty closely. Now, it is overbought, but there's some pullback ideas, but we're paying attention to this idea. WAXP breaking. Is this big? You know how long we've been waiting for some of this news we've been covering on the channel recently? Tezos, Ubisoft, NFTs, AAA, one of the multi-billion-dollar game maker, jumping into NFTs on Tezos blockchain. Huge. How long have we been waiting for anything like that to happen? Bitcoin ETFs obviously happened recently. Like, all this news is happening before our eyes. Like, we've been waiting on this for years, speculating that it would happen. So WAXP, Amazon enters the WAXP ecosystem. WAXP is pumped on this news. We're going to talk about that in a second. We're thrilled to announce that Amazon entered the collectible space by investing in Dibs.io. Dibs.io is a real-time fractional card market using WAXP IRL NFT technology. So Amazon invested in this platform, right? And so the interest in alternative assets is rising, they're saying. So WAXP did see a pump on this news, but again, it's all about to happen. Like, I've never been so excited about what this market's about to do, but Bitcoin's not very reflective of the price. But you have to see the writing on the wall. If Bitcoin does nothing, like, we could see an altcoin, if Bitcoin would just sit still and just chill, or give some type of any type of bullish impulse wave higher, like these altcoins, I think they take off. I mean, people see this, and if they don't, they're about to FOMO into this stuff eventually. Like, when this altcoin market takes off, like, man, there's some hype behind this thing, right? And I'll keep you guys updated, like, the timing on this. Like, is Bitcoin pulling back first, or that's the most important thing, right? Timing the moves in this market. That's where you make your most money. And we're real good about in the trading group because we've got 4,900 people watching the market at all times. And I it's so much easier with a huge team, success driven. Again, just another article talking about this Dibs collectibles boom. And basically the idea for Dibs, it was founded in 2020. It started by listing cards for members to trade in fractions by digitizing them through NFTs. So it allows people to own high value collectibles that would be otherwise attainable. So if you had like Michael Jordan rookie card signed, whatever it is, right? Something rare. But there's NBA players, Chris Paul and Kevin Love, and a group of athlete investors that are also in on this. And so Amazon is investing in this Dibs corporation and sports card marketplace. And so again, the collectibles industry and NFTs I've never seen a better fit. Like this NFTs, people don't even see this coming, and we know about it now. Like, how can you not? Okay, Bitcoin pulled back. You cannot be upset about your portfolio right now because you can see what listen, did you buy Bitcoin 2011? You didn't see it coming. Right here, right now, today, here it is. NFT, you see this coming, here it is. Metaverse, you see it coming, here it is. GameFi, you see it coming, here it is. You cannot deny what's about to happen to the world. Here it is. You're here now. So you know what? You're down on your portfolios. You're here. You're in a couple years. This thing, man, it's about to be insane. I'm so pumped. WAXP. Okay, so WAXP clearly pumped parabolically based on this news, right? Came out, but yeah, this little inverse head and shoulders, you guys see that, broke out. I mean, I would let this thing cool off and come back down and get a retest on it. WAXP, I mean, this is something you put on your radar, right, as a coin to watch. But again, pullback, retest is going to be your best entry. Same thing with the other setups we talked about. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.